So GoPro says that this little guy is the next generation of image stabilization, that it's the Gimbal Killer. We're gonna find out if that's true. I'm gonna put it up head to head with my Sony A7 III, and we're even gonna throw it on this big bad boy. We're gonna get to the bottom of this and find out once for all which one's better. Here we go. Alright guys, we got kind of a cool one today. We're testing out the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and we're gonna pit it against the A7 III. Check out the image stabilization and see if it stacks up. It's called the Gimbal Killer. We're gonna find out if that's true. And here we go. So there's nothing hugely scientific about this test, and chances are you're not going to be running through the forest with your mirrorless setup anyways. But just for fun and for difference, I wanted to show you the differences between the two and the claims that GoPro makes compared to something that's a lot more expensive. So here we are just walking through, and by no means am I trying to compensate my walk. I'm just kind of holding them out as straight as I can, but just walking normally. And here I've kind of stepped it up into kind of a jog, and then into a full-out run.
Oh my gosh, just look at it!
And this is where I slow down because I'm really out of shape. But as you can see, the GoPro absolutely destroys the A7 III on the gimbal. It's quite impressive. So the mirrorless on the gimbal does keep up pretty well at a reasonable pace, but keep in mind these are both going to perform better when you do have two hands free. This is just kind of extreme. And just for fun, here's the A7 III without the gimbal compared to the GoPro. And of course, it's not every day you're going to be walking through the forest shooting handheld with a big mirrorless one-handed, but what the heck. And here's a bit of a run with them both. Obviously the A7 III is completely unusable, but the GoPro remains amazing. So needless to say, when I got back and checked out the footage, I was blown away. This image stabilization is the best I've ever seen in anything, ever. And let's really hope that this is what the future holds. To be able to put this technology or a variation of it into everything would be absolutely incredible. I understand these cameras have different applications, and of course it's not going to replace your main camera. But this GoPro and all the features it packs is outstanding. Well, there you have it guys. This little guy's got some of the best image stabilization out there right now, even beating out the Sony A7 III. If you liked what you saw and you want to see more of this kind of thing, hit that like and subscribe button and drop your questions and comments down below. If you're thinking about picking one of these guys up, I'll leave a link in the description below and it'll take you where you need to go. Other than that, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time guys.